Good afternoon, everybody. So we're at Freeport. We're actually waiting to get off the bus. We're sitting here in the gangway, and we're about to get off the boat, and we're going to go do some short excursions.
We got about 5 hours.
Yay! And then we got to be back on hand for elegant night. It's dinner. See y'all later.
Yeah.
Look at it! Woo. Look at it! We're here! No, Freeport. Freeport. We're gonna go get on one of these vans. We're about to take a taxi.
Check that out. Check that out.
$700 that make up the Bahamas. One of the 700, we happen to live in 34th of the larger one. This island that we on now is called Grand Bahama. The city is Freeport, Lucaya. We are in Freeport, we are going into Lucaya. Lucaya is residential. The whole population of the Bahamas is 400,000. We are looking for a few good men. For every 7 ladies in the Bahamas, there's 1 guy.
Wow.
The first time we ever evacuated anybody from the island was last year. School and the church, the Catholic church, Mary Staff to see, straight ahead to the school part. A lot of liquor store. Anywhere you put it, you'll have the spirit. Just choose one. We do not discriminate.
We made it on Taino Beach. We just learned a lot on that ride.
Yeah.
Very a lot.
7 to 1 ratio.
You're American, appreciate your lives. I'm telling you. We just learned a lot. Now to the beach. So we're at Taino Beach, like I said, and I decided to come out here, and they're saying that you can get in a paddle boat, all this other stuff for free when you pay your entry. And we paid our entry for $5, and we're seeing some cool stuff out here. So we can use these patio chairs right here, right, for free and not remove them. Oh, we can do that then. Let's go down to, we want to go down to the water and see what you see. Look, there's an obstacle course out there. I think I'm gonna do the obstacle course. Let my hair down. I'm not holding back. So y'all finna see me look crazy out here.
Where you coming in from today?
We're coming in from
You weren't sure where you coming in from, man. You stuttering and all that. Where you coming in from today?
Alabama.
Huh?
I forgot. Alabama.
Yeah, where you come from? Alabama? Oh, all right. We got Alabama in the building all day. All right, represent where you coming in from. You ain't say it loud and proud. Say Alabama.
We're doing the banana boat excursion on Taino Beach. Woo!
We out here in the Bahamas, buddy.
We're about to turn up and have some fun. I already have my coconut, so I will post that picture on here as well. Love you guys. I'll let y'all know how this goes, so stay tuned. How cool!
Alright.
I get so damn excited.
Hey, he jumped again.
Calm down. Calm down. I just need to calm down. Look here. Oh man. We're a banana boat for 40 minutes back there. And there's our driver.